Okay, welcome back. In last class, I have given all the formula regarding area and perimeter of triangle as well as quadrilateral. Okay, so today we'll discuss area and perimeter of quadrilateral, which is exercise 21A. And the first question is question number one. Question number one, height is given 7 centimeter. Height is given 7 centimeter. Parallel sides means just imagine A equals to 8 centimeter and B equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, so here height is given, A parallel sides are given, which is A and B, so it is trapezium. Okay, trapezium, because this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. This is called height. This is A and this is B, which are parallel to each other. Now you just apply the formula. Area equals to half A plus B into height. After that, half. Just put the value. 8 plus 10 into height is 7. Half into 8 plus 10, 18 into 7. So 2 9s are 18, 9 7s are 63 centimeters square is your answer. Okay. Similarly, part 4. Question number 1, part 4. Again, this is from trapezium. Okay. Part 4. This is 1, part 4. Height is given 4 centimeter. Two parallel sides. A is 15 centimeter and B is 7.8 centimeter. Apply the same formula. Half A plus B into height. Now area is given, which is half. A means 15 plus 7.8 into 4. You can always cancel these two. 15 plus 7.8. 15 plus 7. 22.8 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 2s are 4. 45.6 centimeter square. So in this way you have to do. Okay. And next question is, so from 1 you can try part 3 and part 4 as homework. After that, question number 2. This is word problem where you have to identify which one is A, which one is B and which one is height. A garden is in the form of trapezium whose parallel sides are 40 meter and 22 meter. Means this is 40 meter and this is 22 meter, or you can write this is 22 meter, this is 40 meter. It's same thing. And perpendicular distance between them is 12. Now perpendicular distance means height. 12. You have to find the area of the garden. Again, this is called trapezium, where area equals to half A plus B into height. So half A means 22 plus 40 into 12. Cancel these two. Now 40 plus 22. 62 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 is 37. 372 meter square. So this is the answer. Okay. Let's do one more question from trapezium. After that, we'll do question number 3. Question number 3. Two parallel sides of trapezium are 85 centimeter and 63 centimeter. Parallel sides of trapezium is 85 and 63 centimeter. So this you can take 85 and this you can take 63. And its area is 2664. Area is given 2664 centimeter square. So obviously you have to find out height. Okay. So area equals to, formula remains the same. area equals to half into A plus B into height. Now this height is unknown. Now just put the value. Area is 2664 equals to half. A is 63 plus 85 into height. Now multiply 2664 into 2 equals to 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 is 15, 158 adds. Now 2664 into 2 divided by 158 equals to S. Take out in lowest term, you will get the answer. 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18. After that 2664 divided by 79. You just divide 2664 by 79, you will get the answer. Okay, 2664 divided by 79. 4 divided by 79 is approximately 33.72. What is the unit? Unit is centimeter. Okay, now next question. Next question, we will do one more from trapezium. Okay, question number 6, and this is the last question from trapezium. So in next class we will do parallelogram. Okay. Question number 6. Draw one trapezium. Just write A, B, C, D. Question number 6. The area of trapezium is 210. Area is 210 centimeter square and height is 14 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter, and the question is height is 14 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is double than the other, it means what? If this is x, this is 2x. Okay, one of the side is double than other means if AB is x, obviously CD will be double of x will be 2x. Now apply the formula. A equals to half A plus B into height. Now just put the value 210 half into A means x plus 2x into height is 14. You can cancel this. 2 7s are 14. Now 210 equals to x plus 2x, 3x into 7. 210 equals to 21x. If you divide it, you will get 10. So if x is 10, other side is 2x, means B will be 2 into x. Now just substitute the value. 2 into 10, that is 20 centimeter. Thank you very much. In next class, I will teach you parallelogram.